Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Duolingo on iPhone. Duolingo is a fun interactive language learning platform designed for the learners of all ages. Its main goal is to help you learn a new language through short lessons, gamified exercises, and real-life practice. And Duolingo uses a combination of reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises to make learning effective and engaging. So why use Duolingo on an iPhone? Learn anytime, anywhere, perfect for the commuting breaks or travel. Track your daily progress and streaks which motivate consistency and gain XP points and rewards to make learning feel like a game. Choose from 30 plus languages from Spanish and French to Japanese and Nepali. Practice speaking using on the iPhone, microphone, listening, and comprehension skills. So first, in order to download the Duolingo app, go to your app store. Over here on the bottom there's a search icon. Select your search icon here and type down Duolingo and search for it. And over here we can find to this green screen Duolingo languages. Over here what you can do is tap on the get and simply double click to install it, and it will require for your Face ID, Touch ID, and the password, and it will start downloading. And you need to wait a few seconds for the app to download, and the app will also appear in your home screen. As I'm going to select open from here, and make sure your iPhone has enough storage and stable internet connection for a smooth installation over here. And you need to create a Duolingo account. What you can do is you need to select to this get started on the bottom and simply continue on the bottom. So over here it will ask you the quick question. In order to select, so simply preferably select what reason suits. Over here for your language you can select any of the language over here, and what would you like to learn. As I'm going to select French here and select continue on the bottom. Select continue after each questions. So over here you can also choose your daily learning goal. Casual for the 5 minutes, regular for 10 minutes, serious for the 15 minutes, or if you want intense you can go to a 20 minute. As I'm going to select 10 minute over here and select I'm committed on the bottom. And over here if you want to go for the upgrade or fastest progress, you can go to the Super Duolingo. As I'm going to select learn for free on the bottom and select continue, and keep on selecting continue after each of the search. And once you reach onto this interface of your Duolingo, on the bottom you can find to this profile icon. Select to this profile icon just beside the home. Over here select to this create a profile, and you need a profile to connect with friends. Over here you can either sign up with your Google, Facebook, or with Apple, and type down how old are you and select next and your name. And if you directly want to sign up with your Google, simply tap on the sign up with Google here, and that is it. This is how you can create a profile on Duolingo. So over here, understanding the Duolingo interface, on the home on the bottom left this shows your skill tree, current lessons, and XP points, and on the leader board clubs compare your progress with friends. And on the profile tab on the bottom here, this tracks the streaks, XP points, achievements, and mastery level. And spend a few minutes exploring the interface so you know where each feature is. And the first is starting your first lesson. What you can do is simply tap on the continue in the skill tree. Over here you can start with plus 20 XP here. So over here each lesson contains the multiple exercises translating words or sentence, and listen and type what you hear. So over here you can simply speak or sentences using the iPhone microphone and select check on the bottom, and you can keep continuing
300.
and select check on bottom again
Bonjour.
and simply tap what you hear and select check on the bottom. Simply continue to start your first lesson over here. And you can also use the skill tree effectively. Lessons are organized in a tree format by topics. Completing a lesson unlocks the next. You can practice older lessons to reinforce memory. Aim for the green crowns to achieve mastery in each skill, and don't skip lessons. Strengthening your basis is crucial before moving to advanced levels. And daily practice and streaks. Set reminders to complete your daily goal. Maintaining a streak helps you stay motivated. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day is better than one long session on a week. So over here on the top we can find to this streak icon here, and you can find your all of the streak on your month, your day, or your week. And you can also select over here under this friends. If you want any of your friends, you can simply add friends over here as well and maintain your streaks, and use the streak freeze feature from the store to maintain streak when you miss a day. And over here in the top left you can find to this new courses icon here. Select this and you'll find it usually looks like this. You can find the new courses of your music, math, or chess as well. It shows the new languages or courses you can start learning. Tap it to explore the languages or the music if you have not added yet and enroll in a new course. And in this shop on the top over here, it accesses the Duolingo store to buy gems, streak freezes, hints, or extra lessons. You earn gem through the lessons and XP, or buy them via app purchases to unlock the bonuses faster. And in the top right, we can find this energy icon here. It represents your energy or the stamina, and lessons or challenges depends on the course type, like Duolingo Push, and completing lessons consumes energy. It refills over time with gems, helps pace your daily practice. And in the practice icon on the bottom over here, what it looks like is like often a circular arrow or the check mark icon here. It lets you practice older lessons or weak lessons to strengthen memory, and tap it daily to keep skills sharp and improve accuracy in previous lessons as well. And over here under this video call icon, it looks like a small camera icon or the video symbol. Some Duolingo courses now include the video conversation practice with tutors or the AI partners, and you can tap to practice speaking in real time or guided video lessons for pronunciation improvement as well. And just beside it, we can find the subscription icon. It looks like a crown with a shield symbol. And over here, you can access your Duolingo Plus or Super Duolingo subscription benefits like your ad-free experiences, offline lessons, unlimited heart energy, progress quizzes, and mastery tracking. Progress quizzes or mastery tracking. Tap it to view your subscription plans or upgrade if you want premium features as well. You can try with your recommended Super or Super Family Pack. You can do your Max or Max Family Pack as well. And just beside it, we can find this feed icon here. Duolingo's usually a scroll or newspaper icon. Over here, it shows the updates, achievements, tips, and posts from the Duolingo community or the app announcement. You can check your feed to see your friends' progress, motivational tips, or the language challenges as well. And over here on the top right corner, we could find the settings gear icon over here. And this is the main hub where you manage your Duolingo account and app options. From here, you can access all the preferences, notifications, subscription options, supports, and logout. So in this preferences over here, once you go to your preferences here, you can find all of the adjustment icon, customize your learning experience, your sound effect, haptic feedback, motivational messages, listening exercises, and friends tricks. If you don't want any of these experiences which is already toggled on, you can simply toggle on which each icon here, just like this, and which is all toggled off. And you can go back again. You can find to this notifications bell icon, which controls alerts and reminders. You can turn on daily lessons, reminders, strict notifications, and challenge updates to stay consistent and motivated as well. Over here, you'll find this reminders, which is for the daily practice, and strict reminders. Into this friends, it updates on the new followers and your friends' achievements. In this leaderboards here, you'll find this league status and the progress updates in your league as well. And in this announcement, it updates about your new features, promotions, and events. And in this friend nudges, it reminders from the friend as well, friends streaks, friends quests, and family plan. And over here, if you have already chosen a plan or request Super, you can go back and select to this restore subscription here, reconnecting your Duolingo Plus or the Super Duolingo subscription after reinstalling the app or switching devices ensures all the premium features are restored without losing progress. Under the support here, we can find this access support guides for the troubleshooting login problems, app crashes, subscription issues, or general questions. It is a self-service hub before contacting support. Once you go to this help center over here, you'll get this frequently asked questions about the Duolingo issues. If you have any issues, you can simply go over here and find all of these issues about your using Duolingo account management, subscription payments, and if you're still unsure about something, you can go and send a feedback under the Duolingo as well. And the last thing is to sign out. You can safely log out of your Duolingo account, especially useful when using a shared device or switching account. What you can do is you can simply tap on the sign out, and it will automatically sign out from your Duolingo app. And Duolingo's interface keeps evolving. Icons may slightly change shape, but the functions remain similar. And using Duolingo on your iPhone is simple and effective when you follow a structured approach and explore the interface carefully. All of your icon, languages, skill tree guides, practices, icon, weak areas, or your feed, and complete daily lessons to earn your XP points. Take advantage of gamified features like achievements and leaderboards to stay motivated. And by combining daily practice, consistent use of icons and features, and smart learning strategies, Duolingo transforms language learning into an engaging, interactive, and habit-forming experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.